Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering your switch and getting the dock or USB-C adapter ready. This matters because stable power prevents display flicker. Once done, plug the HDMI cable into the dock and the TV and connect the dock to power. Make sure the switch is seated into the dock or the USB-C cable is firmly attached. This completes the physical link so the TV can detect the console and let you move to video settings. Now you focus on signal and settings. After seating the switch in the dock or plugging USB-C, confirm the TV shows the Nintendo logo. If not, cycle the TV input. In System Settings, right arrow TV output, adjust resolution and RGB range for clarity, lower resolution if lag appears. Make sure output is set to automatic or 1080p for most TVs. Finally, set sleep behavior so the screen doesn't turn off mid-setup. This preserves progress while you test controllers and audio. Finish by verifying picture, sound, and controller response. Navigate the home menu and launch a game briefly. If you see no signal, power cycle the dock and TV, reseat HDMI and power cables, and try another HDMI port. This resolves most connectivity faults. If problems persist, update the switch firmware, test with a different HDMI cable, and try direct USB-C TV connection if available. One key tip: reseating every connector often fixes intermittent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.